Wonder if you could try a furniture virtually, or could educate it a device for your own good, could see how your food is coming from the field, or could feel a virtual object. Let's start our journey through some crazy concepts and technology that will blow your mind. Number 1. Augmented reality. Imagine you're out shopping for furniture and you come across a chair that you really like. With augmented reality glasses, you can point your gaze at the chair and see additional information about it, such as its dimensions, materials, and price, overlaid onto the real world. You can even see what the chair would look like in your own living room, as a virtual image of the chair is superimposed onto your view of the real world. This allows you to make a more informed decision about whether or not to purchase the chair, and how it might fit into your space. Number 2. Neural networks. Neural networks are a type of artificial intelligence that can simulate the behavior of the human brain. Let's say you're trying to teach a computer to recognize different types of animals, such as dogs and cats. You would feed the computer a large amount of data consisting of images of dogs and cats. The neural network would then analyze the data and learn to recognize the unique features of each animal, such as the shape of their ears or the color of their fur. Now let's say you want to test the neural network's ability to recognize these animals. You could show it a new image of a dog or cat that it has never seen before, and the neural network would use its learned knowledge to accurately identify the animal. This ability to recognize new information and adapt to it is what makes neural networks so powerful. In another example, let's say you're using a voice-controlled virtual assistant like Siri. When you ask Siri a question, such as, "What's the weather like today?" Siri uses a neural network to interpret your voice and understand the meaning of your question. It then uses this information to search for the current weather in your area and provide a spoken response. Overall, neural networks are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, and their ability to learn and adapt to new information is making them increasingly useful in a variety of fields, from computer vision to natural language processing. Number 3. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. It's a decentralized system that can be used to verify and store data in a secure and tamper-proof way. Blockchain technology can be useful as in supply chain management. Suppose you are a coffee connoisseur, and you want to make sure that the coffee you're drinking is ethically and sustainably sourced. With blockchain technology, each step of the coffee supply chain can be recorded in a secure and transparent way. When the coffee is harvested, data such as the origin of the beans, the time and location of the harvest, and the farmer who grew them can be recorded on the blockchain. This information can then be verified by other parties in the supply chain, such as the exporter or the roaster. As the coffee beans move through the supply chain, each party can add additional information to the blockchain, such as the date and time of shipment, the shipping company, and the temperature and humidity during transportation. This allows for greater transparency and accountability throughout the supply chain, as all parties involved can see the entire history of the coffee beans. Businesses can use this technology for better transparency and improving the service. Number 4. Haptic technology. Have you ever wished you could feel a virtual object as if it were real? Haptic technology allows you to experience digital sensations through touch. It's like having the sense of touch in a virtual world. Imagine you're playing a virtual reality game where you're exploring a forest. As you walk through the forest, you come across a tree and want to touch it to see if it feels real. With haptic technology, you can reach out and touch the tree, feeling its rough bark and the sensation of your fingers brushing against the rough surface. This type of haptic feedback can create a more immersive experience in the virtual world, making it feel as though you're really there and touching real objects. Another example of haptic technology is in medical training. Surgeons can use haptic feedback to simulate the feeling of operating on a patient, allowing them to practice and perfect their techniques in a safe and controlled environment. They can feel the resistance of tissue and organs, and adjust their movements accordingly, helping to improve their surgical skills and reduce the risk of errors during real operations. So we are living in a world where you can try on a new outfit without leaving your house, teach a device, track the journey of your food, drink or product and feel the texture of a virtual object. Thanks to augmented reality, neural networks, blockchain and haptic technology. These cutting-edge technologies are changing the way we interact with the world and each other. So, which technology are you most eager to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like and notification bell to never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for these amazing technologies. Until next time, take care and keep exploring.